So you're looking to connect your Canon PIXMA TR8620 printer to Wi-Fi, but the setup process seems a little complicated and you need some help? Whether this is your first time setting up a wireless printer or you've just switched to a new network, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process step by step, so it's super easy. Plus, if you get stuck at any point during the connection process, our experts are available for one-on-one assistance. Just dial in the numbers on your screen. Alright, let's dive in and get your Canon PIXMA TR8620 connected to Wi-Fi. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, make sure your Canon PIXMA TR8620 printer is powered on. Then, look at the LCD screen on the front. That's where we'll be doing everything from here on out. Once you're looking at the home screen, tap on the little settings icon that looks like a gear. It's usually in the top corner or somewhere easy to find. A menu will pop up on the screen. From there, go ahead and select Device Settings. Next, scroll down just a little bit and tap on LAN Settings. Now, select Wi-Fi from the options you see on the screen. Tap on Wi-Fi Setup to proceed with the connection process. On the next screen that appears, choose Manual Connect. Your printer will now start searching for Wi-Fi networks that are nearby. Just give it a moment to search and find them all. Once your Wi-Fi network name shows on the screen, simply tap on it to select it. Now, tap on the password box where it says "Please enter" and carefully type in your Wi-Fi password. Once you've typed it in correctly, hit confirm, and that's really all there is to it. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.